So there you have it, an absolutely simple, fantastic mix to put together. Shawarma Baharāt, or Baharat Shawarma seasoning, whatever you know it by. There you go. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Rick. Today, Baharat Shawarma mix, or Shawarma Baharat, a seasoning mix, whatever, which way you know it by. Okay, it's plain, it's simple, it's a lot of spices. Okay, there's quite a number of spices there, and this is quite easy. They're all listed in the description as per usual, and all we're going to do is that. We're going to get a good mix. Got a whisk. We're going to bring all that together. Give it a good mix in. A couple of lumps of onion powder there, look. Okay, now this spice mix is very popular in Lebanon and Gulf region cooking, especially when people want a deeper, warmer spice profile than the usual cumin, paprika, garlic, shawarma rub. There you go, it's as simple as that. This is perfect on grilled meats, okay? You can use it on chicken, but you know, shawarma for chicken is a little different spice mix. You know, it's actually perfect for beef or lamb. Very popular in Lebanese, Syrian, Iraqi, Jordanian cooking. There you go. All we got to do now is put it in a bag. An absolutely simple, fantastic mix to put together. Shawarma Baharāt, or Baharat Shawarma seasoning, whatever you know it by. There you go. So there we have it, bagged up, our Baharat Shawarma meat mix, used for beef and lamb. You can use it for chicken, but you know, the other shawarma mix on the channel is better for chicken. This is fantastic for lamb and beef. There you go. Shelf stable because it's all powdered spices. Store it in the usual way. Put it in a storage container. Put a couple of those silicone gel things in there, and it will last for quite some time. There you go, as easy as that. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe. Share with your friends. Catch you in the next video.